Dreaming of free Ethereum riches? Hold on a second, because those tempting giveaways flooding the internet might just drain your crypto wallet faster than you can save blockchain. Today, we're diving deep to dissect these so-called Ethereum giveaways and arm you with the knowledge to spot a scam before it's too late. First, let's talk about red flags, promises of ridiculously high returns, like doubling your Ethereum in minutes, are huge warning signs. No legitimate organization gives away that kind of money. Next, Scrutinize the Source is the giveaway promoted on a verified social media account of a reputable crypto company. Or is it popping up from anonymous websites or random social media profiles with zero history? Check for subtle logo variations or misspellings. Why Euro scammers love to use these tricks. Be wary of requests for your private keys or seed phrases. A legitimate giveaway will never ask for this information. Your private keys are the keys to your crypto kingdom, and handing them over is like handing over the keys to your bank vault. Keep them safe, keep them secret. So, how can you verify a giveaway? Start by going directly to the official website or social media channels of the company supposedly hosting the giveaway. Look for official announcements and confirm that the promotion is actually happening. Do your research. Google the giveaway and see if others have reported it as a scam. Crypto communities are usually quick to flag suspicious activity. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let the lure of free Ethereum cloud your judgment. Protect your investments. Stay vigilant, and remember, due diligence is your best defense against crypto scams. #ETHEREUM #ScamAlert.